Welcome to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for exotic car reviews, insane mods, and everything that smells like horsepower. If you're passionate about high-performance machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. We've got a beast on the menu today that you definitely don't want to miss. Today, we're diving into the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, but not just any SF90. This one's been handed over to the tuning wizards at Novatek, and the result is absolutely savage. If you thought the stock SF90 was already a monster, wait till you see what Novatek has done. This is a car that doesn't just blur the line between road and racetrack, it tears it apart. Now first, let's talk about the exterior, because even standing still, the SF90 Novatek looks like it's doing 200 miles per hour. Novatek's upgrades are never about being flashy just for the sake of it. Every element serves a purpose. The car now features a more aggressive carbon fiber aero kit that includes a new front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a GT3-inspired rear wing. These aren't just pretty add-ons, they significantly improve downforce and stability at high speeds. And let's not forget those tailor-made Vossen wheels, ultra-light forged alloys designed specifically for this car. They're available in a range of finishes, but the gloss black against that iconic Ferrari red, absolute perfection. The lowered suspension setup, thanks to Novatek's sport springs, drops the car by about 30 millimeters, giving it that menacing stance while still being practical enough for real roads. Well, semi-practical, let's be honest. You're not driving this through a drive-through. Step inside the cockpit and things get even more intense. The interior of the SF90 is already futuristic, but Novatek offers full customization to make it uniquely yours. Think carbon fiber everything, dash, door panels, center console, and leather or Alcantara in literally any color combo you want. The digital cockpit, with its curved 16-inch instrument display and heads-up display, makes you feel like you're piloting a fighter jet more than a road car. You don't just sit in the SF90, you wear it. Every control, every switch, every paddle, perfectly positioned for performance. Even the steering wheel, with its integrated LED rev counter and touch controls, screams Ferrari's Formula One heritage. But all this is just the beginning. Let's talk about what really matters, performance. Under the hood, or rather under the carbon fiber skin, the SF90 packs a hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors. The stock output is already insane, 986 horsepower. But Novatek doesn't believe in enough. Their EQ tuning and exhaust upgrades push the total output close to 1,100 horsepower. That's Bugatti territory, but in a car that's lighter, more agile, and frankly, more exciting. The result, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. Top speed, around 211 miles per hour, depending on setup. The torque is instant, thanks to the electric motors, and the new high-performance exhaust system not only adds power but transforms the sound into something absolutely feral. It's got that deep, aggressive Ferrari growl, but with a sharper, more violent edge, like it's angry just sitting in traffic. Driving the SF90 Novatek is an event. It's not just the speed, it's the way the car communicates with you. The steering is razor sharp, the chassis is perfectly balanced, and thanks to the advanced torque vectoring and all-wheel drive system, you can push this car to its limits with confidence. Whether you're on the Autobahn, carving through mountain roads, or just showing off in the city, this car turns heads and drops jaws. Now, let's talk money. A standard Ferrari SF90 Stradale starts around $525,000, depending on options. Add the Novatek treatment, which includes the carbon kit, wheels, suspension, exhaust, and EQ upgrades, and you're easily looking at another $100,000 to $150,000, depending on how wild you want to go. So yes, you're in the $650,000 to $700,000 ballpark. But for what you're getting, a car that rivals hypercars costing double, it's hard to argue it's not worth it. At the end of the day, the SF90 Novatek isn't just a car, it's a statement. It says you appreciate precision engineering, you live for performance, and you don't settle for ordinary. This is a Ferrari turned up to 11, and it's one of the most exhilarating machines on the planet right now. If you loved this review and want to see more incredible machines like this, modded, reviewed, and tested, make sure to subscribe to Auto Garage, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. What's your dream Ferrari build? Would you take the SF90 over a LaFerrari or an SF90XX? Let's hear it. Thanks for riding with us, and until next time, keep the engine warm.